Hi, today I'm for the Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store app, and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this first app, and in this just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Now we should tap to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, then tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now process is finished, and let's check our new keyboard, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.